This is a wrecked 2005 Ford GT. One of the most iconic American supercars ever built. But this one, it's been totaled, abandoned, written off as unrepairable. Somehow, it's ours. It's the most expensive, most ambitious, most ridiculous project we've ever taken on. Before we get started, let's rewind and show you how this all began.
Today's the day, baby. These guys have no idea, but judging by the title and thumbnail, you guys have already seen it. We bought a very special car. No one here in this car has really seen anything. I think Mickey's seen 1 or 2 pictures.
You've been holding this from me for way too long.
I know what the car is.
Yes.
Yeah, we know what the car is.
Did
you see the picture I saw?
No, I haven't seen any pictures of it.
This is easily the most ambitious and biggest project we've ever taken on. I am so excited.
That's confidence inspiring.
It's pretty bad. The car is pretty messed up. And I was here a few months ago to take a look at it, but I did not get the chance to do a deep investigation. So we brought everyone here because it's going to be an absolute mission to get this thing onto the trailer and back down to the shop so we can really figure out everything that's wrong with it so we can come up with a plan and fix it.
I think this has the potential to be the best throttle build of all time. I certainly think it's one of the coolest cars we've ever had in our shop, ever, period.
It's easily the most expensive car that we've ever built, especially in the condition that it's in. Oh boy, hopefully it's fixable. It'll be pretty interesting. We're about to show up there in 5 minutes. We'll roll up. I'll try to grab the keys if there is keys. I'm hoping there's keys. And then we'll go see it and we'll show everyone what I saw 4 months ago for about 30 minutes.
This is exciting. I'm actually kind of nervous. It's gonna be a lot of work.
I'm looking forward to it.
I would just pull perpendicular here. It's probably at the last bay door, I think. I'm gonna go in and grab the key.
What's it gonna do with the key? Drive it? I got no engine. Hey, Nino!
Oh!
What's up?
I'm here. You are very bright, buddy.
Hey,
Golly.
You ready to see this car?
Yeah, I've been sitting here for an hour and a half.
What poster car did you have growing up?
Countach, F40.
Yours was an F40? Okay, so mine was a Ford GT. Really? I had a poster of a GT forever. It's like one of my all-time favorite cars. It's gonna be so sick.
Yeah. You guys ready?
Do you guys know how much these cars go for?
$395,000
Right now. Some upwards of $700,000.
2,500 miles.
Where is it? You said it was.
Oh my God.
Oh, wait. Evan.
There's the engine trans.
Oh
right there.
my God.
But look at that. There she is.
Oh, it's so sick and it's
all
so
her
not
glory.
a car.
Oh, it's a car.
Bro, it's missing a whole corner.
Oh, it's just cut. Is it cut?
No, it's like this.
Oh, it's banged right here because that side's straight.
It's better than I remember.
The interior's there.
Look at this. No airbags
This
deployed.
is one of my
The interior's
favorite parts
there.
of this car is the seat. Look how
Oh,
close
here
the
we go.
seat comes to the roof.
Look what I got. Fire it up.
We got keys.
Fire it up.
Nah,
Captain America?
Captain America. We got 2
Look at
keys.
the seats. This is such a, like an homage to the original GT40.
Dang, this thing is clapped, bro. This thing's pretty clapped. Look at this.
Oh, shit.
Cracks. This thing's all bent.
I told you
distorted.
it was bad.
This is smacked. I thought this was a good
Evan,
shape.
you
but
said
that
it was
corner-
bad. You didn't say it was in pieces.
Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this.
Oh my God, it gets so much force back here.
Can we move this stuff?
That's cracked. Wow, this is a lot of work, dude. Oh, it's gonna
No
be
kidding.
so
What, you
easy.
think it was going to be easy?
No,
I told you this was the biggest project we've ever
I know,
taken
I
on.
know. I'm just making observations here.
Okay.
This is gonna be so sick, though. Oh, that's all smashed in.
All our stuff.
Dude, put the jack handle in there, bend it back, we're dialed in.
What the heck? They actually gave us some. What the heck? Oh, look, somebody started figuring out what parts are needed to
Oh, we
fix
got
it.
part numbers?
Yep.
Let's go.
Look, they highlighted what's broken. This is a cheat sheet.
Dude.
We got a cheat sheet. This is awesome.
That light right there, those are like $5 grand. So we have to make sure we take everything.
Evan, I wasn't expecting it to be this bad.
You weren't?
No. I know you've bought some nuggets before, but this might be your top nugget ever. But
The front's pretty straight.
It has the most potential out of anything we've ever bought.
Yeah.
This is
This
really
thing's gonna be
cool.
so sick.
It's gonna be ridiculous.
I'm excited, dude.
So we got one corner of suspension on here in brakes. That's what we got. You know, it doesn't look like anything in the front from a frame or chassis perspective is bent.
You sure about that?
Is this the wheels?
I recognize this. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, this are
wheel.
Oh, that one's banged up.
That's crazy.
That ain't going nowhere.
Oh, okay. Oh, look at that. 4GT headlight. If that's good condition in there,
Good headlight.
those are like 8 to 10 grand just for the headlights. We might have a lot more parts
We can
to
put
bring.
this in the back of my truck.
Okay.
Twin fuel injectors per cylinder, stock dry sump, 2005. This is sick, dude. This is so freaking cool.
Hey, man, you know the block is cracked?
You're kidding. I hope you're kidding.
Oh, really?
Oh, we're good.
That was, there's some things I knew about
You
it.
can't say straight pipes when that's right.
Well, it's got a cat, but other than that,
Damn.
full muffler.
Hey, it comes with a couple hitches too.
This thing's gonna sound so good.
Bro, we got lucky. The motor mount is completely busted in pieces and it missed the block. So we got really lucky. I think we can get it done.
For sure.
The interior is almost fully complete, and it's mint, dude. Gauges, the center console, the seats, the door cards, the way everything's laid out, so freaking rad. And the doors come up to here.
Yeah.
Like that. Such an iconic car. I'm stoked for this. I don't care how much work it's gonna be. It's gonna be gangster, dude.
Come on, you got it.
If I can't pick this up,
Watch out,
nobody
watch out,
can.
watch out. Let me go. You got it. Yeah, you and me got this.
Why are you trying to pick it up?
We got it, we got it.
it.
Oh, yeah, easy day, dude. So this is aluminum, so I wonder if this can be fixed. If that can be pulled, I mean, it's pretty freaking smoked.
The thing about aluminum that when it's hit, it stretches and you can never get it back to flat
It
again.
yields too much.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the only wrong thing about aluminum.
This would be sick to have hanging in the shop, though. Did you look at the frame on this side, Ricky?
Yes, dude, it's banged up. This is the only thing that concerns me, cause like we cannot do this at the shop. And this is like a bolt-on, bolt-off piece for the half the chassis, but
Does that unbolt? No, I don't think it does.
Front one does, Quinn.
look at
The
this.
rear one does not
You see
unbolt?
this?
Yeah.
This is a $500,000 car. Rib nuts everywhere.
Yeah.
See the big fat
Crazy.
So I wonder if you could buy like from here back. And
Yeah.
then, you know, cut all this out. We're already halfway there because this weld is gone. And then
That's not halfway there.
just pull a whole new one in, weld it into place.
No, we remove it from where it welds to the factory chassis, the steel, or is it
You're
aluminum?
talking about
That's
this is all aluminum.
Yeah.
Chassis.
The box. So we remove it from the box area and then get a new
So I
rear.
wonder if you just weld everything from the firewall
Yeah.
back.
Yep.
Just all new stuff.
I really want to see this door.
You want to get the door out?
I want to see what the other side looks like.
Here, just make sure you don't forget that. We're gonna take everything, even if it's broken.
User.
Okay.
City one piece?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's not terrible.
Yeah.
It's bad up here, but the rest
It's
of
not
that's
terrible.
fixable.
Yeah.
No,
Why did they take it off is the question.
Because it's damaged.
She's not heavy at all. Door this big, I was expecting to.
No,
I think it's the aluminum.
that's
Just that by itself looks so cool, dude.
I gotta wonder what it hit. Like, where's this blue
hit
paint
everywhere.
from? No, I mean, what though? Was this a guardrail? A blue guardrail? Or was this, did he run into another car? Like, I just kind of want to know for my own.
Those are pretty expensive. That's savable. It's a little damage right here, but that's.
What is that?
This is the hood. The fenders are massive, which you can't really see. And then there's a little tiny front bumper, but yeah, that's the hood. The really expensive part is that rear clamshell, because it's a rear clamshell and window and a lot of other components kind of in one. We're gonna try to remove a bunch of the stuff so we can wheel the car out just so we can get a better look at it and really check out the rear end, because that's really where the primary like massive damage is. We'll show you guys where it's like cracked on the subframe or the frame.
All carbon, baby.
What is that, Quinn?
This is the rear bumper. Well, it was the rear bumper.
Yeah, I think it's
Wow, but taillight, maybe it's good?
I don't know.
I don't even know what this is.
That's a fender.
Yeah.
The what? Fender?
It's a front fender. How bad is it? It's actually not, other than this. This is the rear bumper, the section where the exhausts come through. It looks like it got hot.
What's the coilover on that side?
Penske.
What is this?
That's the extra.
Oh, that's a Penske external reservoir on this side.
Oh, there you
So this thing's already been modified with some race parts. Or is that factory? I
The
don't know.
body comes factory with
Is
it.
Probably what was on it. Yeah.
If this is what I think it is, if this is a brand new headlight, I'm gonna be super stoked. Oh my God, that is
That's sick.
that is
no
a
way.
score.
So
So somebody planned on fixing it.
Oh my God. Yeah, these are so expensive.
What else you got in there?
This is our radiator.
Is this brakes for the car?
Good new water pump, it says. I think this box might be pretty bad.
That's really cool. Somebody did actually try to fix this and then probably gave up on it and was like, okay, which is good for us. So there's some parts here.
Now we can pull this thing out and we can see the car.
She been proper. Look at this. This is like
Try to push her out?
gnarly, dude. That was a hard hit.
So far, I'd say it's as I expected. I don't know how you guys feel about that. But we have a lot of parts here. We have a lot of parts that I wasn't sure we were gonna have. So yeah, let's get it out there and we'll take a look.
We're gonna try and figure out how to get this out. Ideally, we just lift the whole engine trans and pallet up at once. It's backwards, so we gotta drag it out by hand. This is about to get interesting and maybe sketchy.
Yeah. I thought this thing was light, Quinn. 2, 3.
There we go.
This might be one of the best buys of my career here. So cool.
Give us 2 more months, make sure everything's good.
Let's get that boat
This
too.
car will be done in 60 days.
Hey, hey!
Yeah, baby, come on. Easy day, easy day.
You could scoot it back.
The WD-40 brand has challenged us to rebuild this 4GT and debut it at the 2025 SEMA show. So this is gonna be the official booth car for WD-40 brand in 2025. And we're really excited. We've been working with them on a handful of projects. We think this is probably the perfect project to work with them on, not only because this is like the pinnacle for American supercars, but because we have to completely disassemble this car. Basically, every single nut and bolt has to be removed, and we want to make sure that we don't break anything. Not only are the parts going to be very expensive, but they also may be really hard to replace. So we've got the car in the center of the shop now. We've got everything laid out just so you can kind of get an idea of what this car is supposed to look like. It's really hard to see over there. So we've got the engine and transmission out. This engine and transmission has 2,500 miles on it. We kind of laid in the fenders in the hood. Some of this stuff is, not repairable. We're gonna have to replace it. Like, look at this fender here, it's destroyed. Exhaust system. We've got intake, radiator set up, really structural members cracked. So we've got a lot of big projects ahead of us. Some of the suspension components here, it's got Penske Racing shocks on it. Look at the amount of impact that this wheel took. Now these are aftermarket forged wheels. The brakes and the whole hub assembly is literally still jammed in here. So really, really crazy. A lot of impact you can see from there. The wheel is literally twisted and broken. This is our dry sump tank here, pretty crushed. And then we put the rear clamshell on and the rear bumper. This is definitely where the hardest impact was. I mean, we don't have any suspension components over here, but not only is this clamshell just completely destroyed, the frame down here, the subframe, I guess, if you will, it's a big cast aluminum piece, is cracked. I think this probably is the biggest damage point of the car, to the point where, we may have to find an entire rear section of a 4GT and replace that. So that's probably the most worrying thing. Some of this stuff, like a clamshell, you can buy used. I don't think we can save that. We have the door. The door is actually in okay shape, and the interior is actually in pretty good shape. The airbags didn't even deploy, so that's a huge plus. Those parts can be really hard to find. Dash is in decent shape. I mean, we even have the shift knob, which is really cool. We have this front fender, I think, but it's also destroyed.
It's on the floor over there.
Oh yeah, that's right. We're missing most of the suspension on this side. Now we do have a lot of bins, so come this way and let me show you. So out here we have a ton of parts. Everything, it looks like they say from the accident. There's an oil cooler. I mean, that's pretty destroyed. Under trays, we've got the frunk right here. Wheel well liners, we have the other 2 wheels. The other thing we found is the headlights. Now this is what looks like a used headlight, but there's a brand new headlight in here. So I'm not sure if someone was about to restore this thing, but we have a lot of the parts that we are missing. Like I said, some of them are pretty damaged and some of them we're just gonna have to replace, I'm not sure. The next step is we're gonna get the GT loaded up on the trailer. We're gonna get all the parts loaded up into the truck and trailers here and get down to throttle so we can start investigating this thing and get this project kicked off.
baby, come on. That's what I'm waiting for.
Don't get too excited. We haven't got the car in the trailer yet.
This is the most annoying part. This doesn't have wheels.
Look at that. Everything else is
It's got
easy.
wheels on it. It's got little big wheels on it.
All right, before we make this attempt, what's the plan?
Push it onto the trailer.
Manpower,
Maybe
we're gonna lift
muscle
power.
Hold on, we're not centered, are we?
No,
No, we're not even.
I'm gonna just stand there and push.
No.
All right, so here's the game plan. You ready? Watch this. Ricky,
Lean on it.
lift
See if
up
you can
back.
lift it. Oh, can you guys push down on that to lift the front up?
Calm down,
Ricky, lift
buddy.
the front. Here you go.
Oh yeah.
Ain't that good. Got it.
1, 2, 3. Push fast.
You good?
That's what I was worried about.
You're gonna have to pick it up again.
Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
Look at this. We can fit a whole nother busted GT out here.
You guys strap her down. We'll keep loading all the other stuff.
Yo, zero faith. That was so easy. I told you guys.
Wait.
Everything out of the car is gonna be so light. This car weighs nothing.
Yeah, I didn't think it was
All of the weight of this car is in the engine. All of it.
True.
It's so
Very true.
And just like that, everything is loaded up and we are on our way back down to the shop.
We made it, baby. We made it. Hopefully it didn't fall apart in the trailer.
Let's go, baby. Come on.
You guys ready? Let's unload this thing.
It's cruising. Don't mind me.
That's a Ford GT?
It was a Ford GT.
Oh,
There's the rest of it.
God. Are you kidding me, dude? Oh my God. It's freaking awesome, but there's not much of it left. The engine's over there. Don't worry. Okay.
And the
Let's make this nice and slow here.
We're gonna have to lift it into the trough.
Just send it. I'll hold it.
Go slow.
Yep. Get it over first.
3, 2, drop.
Good? Yeah.
Good. Guys wanna have a look at it before? You know what's inside? Why you guys stomping?
Alright.
Hang tight.
Hey, you
Yeah, baby. We got a GT in the shop. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about.
You're sick. Pop in the driver's seat.
This is awesome.
Yeah, no airbags deployed.
Hop in, Rick.
Pop in.
Hey, we got the
Dude, look at this.
launch edition magazine too. This is sick.
I love the interior. The
It's
interior
so
of these
cool.
are so good. And the door cut is so cool.
I can't believe how low the head is. Like, I'm not a tall guy. Like, can't even imagine if you're tall. Like,
I actually fit in it really well.
really?
Yeah.
I like the old school style gauges in it and stuff.
Yeah. Hi. Moving all the way with you?
Yeah, that's it.
Good.
I'm not using it, not yet.
Nice. So you don't need it. I'm curious to see how we're gonna get it in the car.
All right, you think you could get this in by tonight?